Hi guys, welcome back to me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. Guys, thank you for supporting our channel. Let's get into the video.
So in today's video, we'll be looking on how to make the egg food. So what you're seeing here is the egg food without the water. So as I told you in the previous video, it comes in a powder form. So this is it in its natural state. So I'm making a lot. So I'm using 3.5 scoops to make the egg food because we have a lot of babies in box, ranging from Budgies and Lovebirds. Currently, our Cockatiels, they are on eggs. So we don't have any cockatiel babies. So this that I'm making is enough for the Budgies and the Lovebirds. So now that I've added the amount of egg food needed, I'm going to go ahead and add the water to it. However, once I came down to this end of the pen, I noticed that the lighting wasn't as favorable as I wanted it to be. So I returned to where I was coming from. And now, going back down there, it still never that works. So I go back again. So you see the back and forth. I was trying to move those two paint pans, but they were filled with water and so they were heavy. So I decided to do something else. Now I'm going to add the water. So that's 1 scoop. I wanted to see how the egg food changes. So that's 2 scoops. Scoop number 3. And scoop number 4. And now we add our final scoop, which is scoop number 5. So we're going to go ahead and put down all the dry ones that are on the surface, ensure that everything gets wet. We're going to mix it around a bit before we leave it for it to soak. So this is us mixing it around. There you go, mixing it like that. Wow. So notice how it looks now. Yes. So I'm just going to mix it and have fun with it. And now I'm gonna leave it so it can soak on its own. So I leave it for a few minutes.
A few moments later.
And this is the final result. Now you see how it looks, how the egg food soak up all the water, and now it's has a nice texture. However, for me it is a bit too thick and I don't think the birds would enjoy it, so I want to make it a bit more soapy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add a little more water to the mixture. So that's me adding the water there, and you're going to see the change in the consistency of the mixture. So you're going to see the difference now that I'm going to go ahead and mix it for you. Okay. So if you look, it's a bit more runny than thick as it was earlier. And this would make it easier to share and easier for the bird to enjoy. Now, the egg food is given to them every single day until the baby is out of box. Or until we move the babies from the parents. So we give egg food every day. And also we can give egg food to the birds that we're trying to get in the laying process. So the egg food acts as a stimulant for them. Yeah, that's it for me. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified each time a video is dropped.